Hey everyone, welcome to our Flipper Zero series. Today we are diving into the basics with an overview of this little powerhouse. If you are new to the world of Flipper Zero, or maybe you have seen it around and curious about what it does, this is the perfect place to start. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. So, what exactly is Flipper Zero? Actually, the Flipper Zero is a compact, portable, all-in-one tool designed for interacting with various access control systems, or digital signals, or much more. It's like a Swiss Army knife, but for hackers and for tech enthusiasts. This device was originally developed by Alex Kolagin and Pavel Zovnar back in 2019, and since then it's gained a bit of cult following. Why? Because it's not just a tool. It's also a fun, interactive gadget with a bit of personality literally. It even has a digital dolphin pet inside that grows and changes based on how you use the device, but of course more on that later. Clipper Zero comes packed with features like sub-gigahertz radio, RFID, NFC, infrared communication, GPIO, and also even bad USB capabilities. It's designed to be used right out of the box with no need for additional gear, although you can expand its capabilities with various add-ons. The interface is super simple. It's just a five-way directional pad and a back button. No touch screens, no confusing menus, just straightforward hands-on control. The screen itself is monochrome. 128 x 64 pixel LCD that's perfect for displaying the essential info that you need while keeping it easy on the battery. Oh, speaking of batteries, Flipper Zero has a built-in rechargeable battery that can last up a month on a single charge. That's right. No constant recharging or swapping out batteries, which is pretty impressive given everything this little device can do. One of the coolest things about Flipper Zero is its open source nature. Most of the software, including firmware, is open for anyone to explore, modify, or contribute to. And there's a huge community of developers constantly creating new tools and features to expand what Flipper can do. So, whether you are into ethical hacking, signal analysis, tinkering with smart device, or just love exploring technology, Flipper Zero has something for you. In this series, we will break down each feature and show how you get the most out of this amazing little gadget. Stay tuned as we explore all the ins and outs of Flipper Zero. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss a thing. See you in the next video.